Me being a 90s baby, I was so excited to hear about Hocus Pocus 2. So I started to show some love. I said I'm gonna do brownies, but I'm gonna add a little spin to it. We're gonna do the book of spells. Let's get to it. It's JB Sudden Hands. So the first thing, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. I got some butter melted. I'm gonna add some chocolate chips right to this. It's still hot. Just wanna melt this. Get some moisture. This is a semi-sweet chocolate. Check it, make sure there's no lumps. So we got a separate bowl. We're gonna add some white sugar. Some brown sugar. Then we're gonna add 1 egg at a time. We're gonna mix that up. Alright, so we got it. Alright, so we got this nice creamy consistency. Alright, now we're gonna add our salt. Vanilla extract. I'll mix that in. Now we're gonna add our chocolate mixture. Go get a nice mix. All right. Then in a separate bowl, we'll add our flour. And our cocoa powder. And then we're gonna get this a good mix. All right. Got this little sieve from Walmart with the handle on it. So we got our sieve. We're gonna add our mixture right to this. Then we're gonna crank it slowly. Fold it in a little bit. I'm gonna add the rest of this. And it's gonna catch catch all those thick crumbles. You don't want those in there. We're just gonna continue to fold this in. We're not gonna overwork this. Just gonna fold it into this nicely blended. I'm gonna take a cake spatula and just make sure it's even. See, that corner was missing some love. Now we're gonna put this in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Brownie's done. I let them sit for about 20 minutes so they can get firm. Look at these, y'all. Got that nice little cracking on top. Still soft, you see that? Take it out this pan. I'm gonna cut these open. I'm not gonna make these even for decoration purposes, but I do want to see the inside of these brownies. Oh yeah, you know it's right. Look at that knife. See that? You know it's right. I should have wiped the knife off when I cut this, but it's alright. Moist. So we're gonna work on our eye. That's what we're gonna do first. I kind of drew it out. I cut the brownies first, and I drew them out so I can get like a visual of how big I want to make it. I got it in white fondant, some brown. I like working with the fondant. It's almost like Play-Doh or Play-Doh. Say Play-Doh. Really mold it how you want. This marshmallow fondant is homemade, so let me know in the comments if you want to see how I made it, and I also can show you how I colored it too. Boom. Add a little color to this. Take this pinch of this red. So a little bit of yellow. Flatten it out. And I'm gonna add some veins to it. Took the eyeball out. I'll make some veins. Just gonna roll these up. We're gonna take our grape fondant. I'm gonna roll it up. We're gonna make that little snake on the side. Now we got our eye again. We're gonna make the lock that goes around this. Very simple though. Just chop a little bit off. We're gonna fold this over on the side like the real lock. We'll add a little gold plate to it though. And now we're gonna make the 2 snakes that's in the corners. We're gonna make these real small. So now I got all my gray pieces together. I bought some silver edible spray paint. Gonna hit these with that. Just give it a little shine. All right, so got that spray painted. Now we're gonna start our assembly. Put the iron first. Well, we got a step. We use this icing. Got this from Walmart. It's like some ice. We're gonna use this as our glue. It's looking nice. Do our final few steps. Take a little bit of brown. I'm gonna make the slits in the book. A little stitching. Where we're gonna hide that glue. So I'm gonna take my yellow, roll them up. Just like so. All right. Got a little bit of brown left over. We're gonna make us some fingers. Keep them simple. Oh, gonna make a little indentation right here. Let's see why later. And now I'm gonna just glue these to the side. I'm gonna try to make it look like they're wrapped around the side of the book. Those indents in the side. Got some of this. It's right in jail. Gonna give these some nails. Look at that, y'all. Got the fingers on the side. We didn't miss a detail. Hocus Pocus, Book of Spells. I'll put a spell on you. No, we gotta taste these. Should I just split it open, let see that brownie? If I can. Oh, take a bite of this. That's delicious. And brownie start by itself. Book of Spells. Please let me know what you think about the brownies in the comments. I think we did a nice little, replica of the Book of Spells. I think it turned out pretty nice. Brownies super moist, super fudgy, just like we like. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And always, thank you for watching. It's JB Southern Hands.